Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Fluent English Academy. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with me. Today we are learning adjective clause. This lesson is very important and very useful. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch previous grammar lessons on this channel anytime. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps this channel grow. Now, let us begin. An adjective clause is a group of words. It describes a noun. It gives more information about a person, a thing, or a place. An adjective clause usually comes after the noun. Now listen carefully. I have a friend who lives in Canada. The words who lives in Canada describe the noun friend. That is an adjective clause. Adjective clauses often start with these words: who, which, that, whose, where, when. Now, let us learn one by one. We use who for people. Examples: she is the teacher who helps me a lot. I know a man who works at the hospital. He is the boy who won the prize. Now, let us learn the structure. Noun plus who plus verb plus information. Examples: the girl who sings well is my sister. The man who drives that car is my uncle. Now, let us practice more. I met a woman who speaks 3 languages. He is a student who studies very hard. She is someone who always smiles. Great job. Keep listening. Now, let us talk about which. We use which for things. Examples: this is the book which I like the most. I bought a phone which is very expensive. She has a bag which looks new. Structure: noun plus which plus verb plus information. Examples: the movie which we watched was interesting. The house which they built is very big. Now, let us talk about that. We can use that for people and things. Examples: she is the girl that I told you about. This is the car that he bought yesterday. I like the food that he made. That is very common in spoken English. Now, let us learn whose. We use whose to show possession. Examples: he is the man whose car is red. She is the girl whose phone is broken. I know a family whose house is very old. Now, let us talk about where. We use where for places. Examples: this is the city where I was born. That is the restaurant where we met. I remember the place where we played. Now, let us talk about when. We use when for time. Examples: I remember the day when I met you. That was the year when I learned English. Do you remember the time when we studied together? Now, let us practice with more sentences. She has a job that makes her happy. I like people who are honest. This is the school where I studied. He remembers the day when he moved here. I met a man whose brother is a doctor. You are doing very well. Keep going. If you are new to this channel, please check the previous grammar lessons. They will help you understand English step by step. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this lesson with your friends. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I am proud of your progress. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.